Dear students, welcome to the module on the principle of cleaning procedures and cleaning method. Cleaning is an important aspect for the hygiene, and cleaning also makes a pleasant atmosphere. Thus, every establishment must be clean and well maintained. The unwanted substances are removed by washing. Cleaning is a process of removing the stains, dirt, dust, grease, and unwanted impurities. It includes mopping, sweeping, scrubbing, and washing. Cleaning prevents the infection and also improves the appearances of the environment, which otherwise becomes a breeding ground for the pests and insects such as ants, flies, cockroaches, mosquitoes, spiders, etc. Certain areas can be cleaned daily, while others can be cleaned very often, and cleaning differs from the surface to surface, such as the walls, tiles, wood, etc. The appearance also ensures a good hygienic condition. The dust can be removed easily with the help of a dry cloth. The maximum effort should be taken to achieve the care and the comfort of the guest and to provide support for smooth operation. After reading this module, you will be able to understand the various cleaning procedures followed in the housekeeping department and the different systems adapted and practices by the housekeeping personnel for the efficient functioning of a hotel. Let us discuss about the reason for cleaning. The cleaning is to prevent the spread of infection and diseases, to control the amount of dust in the area, and to lengthen the life of the building along with the various furniture, fixtures, and equipments, to provide socially environment and its physical and the guest of the staff of the hotel, and to meet the requirement of the health and the safety of the inhabitant of the hotel. Why standard of cleaning is important? This will depend on the types of the establishment and the various activities carried out in it. The standard will be achieved by selecting the correct method of cleaning, the carrying out the cleaning task at the regular intervals, effective quality control, the effective human resources, especially the manpower planning. Now we are going to see some of the requirements of the cleaning methods, the materials and equipments. The user, that is who is nothing but the guest requirements, the usage of the building, the type of surface and its physical and chemical properties, the nature of soiling and the degree of soiling, the safety aspects of the staff engaged in cleaning process. Let us move on to the important aspects on the principles of good housekeeping. A good housekeeping is assuring that the work areas are maintained in a clean manner and have an acceptable appearance. It is also to provide a safe and healthy environment for everyone. The lack of housekeeping is a major part of the organization illness leading to injuries. Housekeeping involves all activities related to cleanliness of the institutions, workshops, industrial areas, equipments, and the elimination of non-essential materials in the hazardous areas. Here are some of the following general housekeeping practices must be applied in all areas within the institution, workshops, and all areas where the employees work towards the maintenance, constructions and other activities. The garbage materials, the scraps and the waste materials are to be disposed in the containers constructed of non-compostable material or approved by a non-metallic metals, especially approved plastics. The equipments are to be kept clean, good working condition. The work areas are to be kept clean to ensure that the work activities may proceed in orderly and efficient manner. The compressed air shall not exceed 30 psi when used for cleaning process. Eye protection is required during these cleaning operations. The use of the compressed air for cleaning an employee's body or clothing must be protected. The cleaning procedures include, again cleaning procedures can be done either by a manual method or a mechanical method. The manual method include sweeping, suction cleaning, dusting, buffing, damp dusting, polishing, mopping, burnishing, scrubbing, polishing and dripping. Now you are going to study about the methods of cleaning. The first one is on the sweeping. It is a simple method which has been operated or done with the help of the broom or the brush. Is being used to remove the dust to clean the area, which is known as a sweeping. It starts from one corner of the room and ends in the another corner. It can be done out with the help of using a dustpan. The second method of manual method is a damp dusting, which is more effective than dry dusting. Less amount of water is taken in a cloth, squeezed well and dried a little in air is known as a damp duster cloth. When wiping, the major part of the dust will stuck to the cloth and it should be done twice at least to get a clear result. It is not applicable for all surfaces such as wooden or polished surfaces. Wetting cloth is very important because it ensures moist condition of the cloth. The next concept is on dusting. Normally, when we wipe a surface with a cloth, it is named as a dusting. It should be done with a clean, soft cloth. The common simple method of cleaning is a mopping. In cleaning equipments, you may have learnt about different types of mopping and how mopping have to be done. The wiping surface is also known as a mopping. The material is coarser than the duster. It has been used as a mop material. In this type of mopping, both the dust and the dirt has been removed. Basically, mopping has been done on the floor and there are many styles in doing it so. Some dirt may come out easily but some may not. It will be adhered to the surface. Additional force have to be used to remove the thick dirt. In this process, corners should be given. A special care have to be taken to remove the dirt from the corner area. The another aspects of manual cleaning is a box sweeper. Here in the slide you can see how a box sweeper looks. This is also called as a carpet sweepers and they are being used for sweeping up the dust from the smooth flooring such as the rugs and the carpets. The box sweeper consists of the friction brushes that rotates when equipment is pushed manually over the carpet or on the floor. The dust gets collected into it and it has been built in a dustpan. The next concept is on the simple method of cleaning the wall is called as a wall brooming. And this is also called as a ceiling broom and it is also named as a Turk's head. These brooms are being used to remove the cobwebs from the ceiling and high ledges. It is being used to clean the wall, removing the cobweb and to keep the clean area and tidy. The guest areas and the public areas are to be cleaned and it should be always kept in a tidy way. These brooms are being made up of a coconut fiber and are being used for coarse surface, especially in outdoor areas or in public areas. The another simple method of cleaning is washing. Hard broom with water is being used to remove the dirt from the different surfaces is called as a washing. Here, washing agents with fragrance can be used to clean the area. More quantity of detergent is being added based on the toughness of the stain. Washing makes the surface clean and ensures the hygiene. The materials used in the washing are the brooms, buckets, brushes, etc. When compared with mopping, washing is not an easy way to remove the dirt, but it cleans the surface. To find out the effective cleaning procedure is the polishing. Polishing does not clean but produces shine, and providing it will be done in a smooth surface. It falls under 3 categories. They are the oil based, spirit based and water based. It is only used after removing the dust. It comes in the 3 forms, either the liquid or the paste or the cream. Applying and rubbing an agent or the reagent on the surface to make it shine is called as a polishing. Usually a brass, wood, silver and the marbles are the materials to be polished. While polishing, the materials may turn into the different colors like light black, especially with brass. On wiping the brass again, the particular color may vanish. More time is being consumed during polishing, since the time should be taken after applying it. Additional force have to be used to make the material shiner, and polishing has to be done very frequently to avoid the material from becoming a dull in color. The next concept in the cleaning procedure is scrubbing. Scrubbing makes the surface shiner, but not on all surfaces. The main purpose of scrubbing is to remove the unseen dirt completely. An additional kind of energy is required for scrubbing. The detergent or a stain remover may be used along with water while scrubbing, and it is not very often unless the particular area looks very dirty. The last aspect in the cleaning procedure is the suction cleaning. Suction cleaning helps to pull or suck the airy dust by using electric appliances such as the vacuum cleaner, carpets, core tiles, walls, and are being cleaned in this way. Sometimes it is used to suck water from the wet surface. The filter cloth which is used in the vacuum cleaner must be cleaned immediately after usage. Here are some of the basic rules followed in cleaning procedures and cleaning methods. To remove the stain without harming the surface, these procedures have to be adapted. Stain should be removed completely. Simple methods and simple cleaning must be tried out first. Start with the cleaner area and cleaner articles, then remove onto the soiled area to prevent the spread of soil. Before suction cleaning, sweeping has to be done because suction will pull the dust. Sweeping should also be done before dusting. Cleaning agents, cleaning equipment should be stacked neatly on one side. Cleaning should be started from the farthest end to the area towards the exit. Now I am going to discuss with you about the types of cleaning procedure. The first one is the daily task. As the name indicates, daily, it has to be done on the routine operation carried out every day by a cleaner. It is known as a day or day operation. It includes mopping, sweeping, dusting, etc. The second aspect is on a weekly task or weekly cleaning have to be done. These tasks have to be carried out weekly basis, which includes polishing and vacuuming. The third concept is on the periodic cleaning. As the name indicates, periodically, these tasks have to be carried out monthly, quarterly or half-yearly or yearly or on annual basis. Some of the usual periodic tasks in the hotel include shampooing of the carpet, washing of the walls, polishing the floor, cleaners and the chandeliers. Now I am going to discuss about the general principles of cleaning procedures. In this slide you can see what are the general principles that have to be adapted. The soil should be removed without harming the surface which is being cleaned or the surrounding surfaces. The surface should be stored to its original state after the cleaning process. The simplest method be tried first using the mildest cleaning agents. Cleaning should proceed from the high to lower whenever possible. When the cleaning an area starts with a cheaper, cleaner surface and the articles then go on to clean more heavily soiled areas so as to prevent the spread of soil over the cleaner surface. Suction cleaning should be preferred over sweeping wherever possible. Sweeping should be done before dusting and dusting before suction cleaning. Stains should be removed as soon as they occur. The cleaner should be used in a once we use a cleaner, safety precautionary measures have to be taken and it have to be stored in a proper way. To summarize this module, so far you may have learnt about what is a cleaning agents, how a cleaning equipments have to be handled. To operate these two things, a cleaning procedure have to be followed. The housekeeping department should have lot more part from the cleaning and implementation of the departmental functional of the staffs. The housekeeping personnel have to be well trained to handle the cleaning equipments and the agents. Once they have a thorough knowledge on these aspects, the cleaning procedures can be adapted and followed in a sequence way. Once the periodic cleaning or weekly or a monthly or annual cleaning have to be done, certain procedures have to be followed, and each hotel has its own standard. As I mentioned earlier in this module, each hotels have its own standard procedures of cleaning operation, and general principles have to be adapted. The surface should be restored to its original state after the cleaning process to calculate the manpower of the department and to prepare the budget of the department. Having these aspects in the mind, the proper cleaning procedures have to be scheduled by the hierarchy to the lower hierarchy, because once the hierarchy adapted the cleaning procedure, once they plan it properly, the lower worker who is nothing but the sweeper or a cleaner or a housekeeper who has been employed in a cleaning procedures, they will be following it in a correct way. Thank you.